time to get up and finish packing. Woo! Woo! Okay, we're back to the $100 question. Can I fit this all in here? No. Okay. Stuff a little more this time. Perfect. All right, Chad and I are all packed up and it's time to leave our room. We have to leave our room at 8:30 so they can start cleaning for like the next set of people, but we don't get off the boat until 9:15, so we still have a little bit of more time to hang out on the boat, but just never in here again. Here's our view currently. Man, it's gonna be a long travel day too, because apparently we're expecting a lot of snow. Hope the airports can handle it. Goodbye, boat. Goodbye. Made it to the bus. We'll do a little update for you. Our plane got so delayed, we're missing our connecting flight. So now we're trying to figure out how to get to Dallas in time for our flight. Update, we did not make that flight, so we're trying for a different one at like 5:30, and then if we don't get that one, there's one at 8:30, and then we'll be in Dallas, but then we miss our connecting flight, which means we have a sleepover in Dallas. So I'll keep you updated. All right, pardon my angle, guys, but we made it to Dallas. Yay! Ooh. So now we're gonna go find our gate and then hopefully get food, and then we board like in an hour to go back to Madison.
That third item.
got off the plane, ton of snow, really not nice outside. So now Chad's trying to book us a hotel in Madison, even though the place we're going to is 15 minutes away, because the roads are just that bad today. We're doing great. Trudging through the snow, through the wilderness. Morning vlog. We made it to a hotel last night. When we got here though, I was a little too tired to film anything, so I'll film it now. But it was really not very nice outside of Madison, and it's still not very nice outside. So sadly, we had to park our ass at a hotel. It was fine. I didn't sleep very well, but I think that was just meh. Whatever. So now it's time to get dressed and go to the free breakfast, and then hopefully Chad's house finally. And then Whitewater. So yay for one more day of travel. On my way back to Whitewater, Chad's driving me because, well, I don't want to talk about it right now, but so far so good. We'll see how long it takes us to make it to the town. The roads aren't great right now, but they were great the rest of the time, so far we're making good time. Okay guys, I'm finally back to Whitewater, and it's been a few hours now, and I've showered and I've ate and I've done laundry and I've unpacked, and it is just so good to be home. The cruise was incredible, and I am so grateful for that experience and everything it had to offer, and the fact Chad got to join me, which was just super cool. And now I'm working on editing and uploading all the content from throughout the week, which has just been, I'm so happy I have it. It's so cool that I can just like look back on these memories so easily. It means so much to me, but that's it for the cruise series. I hope you liked it. It was a bit different than my weekly vlogs, which I will go back to filming starting either tomorrow or Monday. I'm trying to figure that out still. Again, I appreciate the time that you took to watch these, and I hope you enjoyed them. I know I enjoyed, making them, going on the cruise and videoing everything and editing and uploading. It's just one of my favorite things ever, and I'm just so overwhelmed right now with like thankfulness. And thank you for watching again. I love you all. If you want more things like this, please let me know, and I'll see you next time.